What's up guys, today we're going to take a look at the 5 best USB microscopes on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. T-Tactile Wireless Digital USB Microscope. In the fast-paced digital era, the convergence of technology with convenience has unlocked endless possibilities. Among the remarkable inventions, the wireless digital microscope has taken center stage, revolutionizing how we explore microcosmos. This handheld marvel, adorned with a USB HD inspection camera, offers a breathtaking magnification range of 50x 1000x, empowering users to embark on a thrilling journey of discovery. Crafted with precision, the wireless digital microscope stands as a testament to human ingenuity. Its compact design boasts an unrivaled blend of aesthetics and functionality. The carefully engineered stand adds stability to your exploration, ensuring a steady hand throughout your captivating journey. Embracing the spirit of seamless connectivity, this digital marvel extends its compatibility to a wide array of devices. Whether you wield an iPhone or an Android device, an iPad or a Samsung Galaxy, or even a Mac or Windows computer, rest assured that the wireless digital microscope will establish an effortless connection, bridging the gap between technology and curiosity. Step into the realm of awe-inspiring detail with the HD inspection camera. Immerse yourself in high-definition clarity that leaves no microcosmic secret unturned. Witness the intricate world of tiny organisms, vibrant botanical structures, and mesmerizing geological wonders, all magnified to reveal their hidden beauty. Intuitively designed, this wireless microscope transcends the boundaries of complexity. The user-friendly interface invites both the tech-savvy and the technologically hesitant to partake in this fascinating expedition. Effortlessly capture images and record videos with just a tap, preserving your newfound discoveries with ease. The wireless digital microscope transcends recreational usage, becoming an invaluable tool for education. In classrooms and lecture halls, it transforms learning into an enthralling experience as students delve into the mysteries of science up close. Unlocking a new dimension of interactive learning inspires young minds to pursue knowledge and scientific inquiry. Beyond the confines of educational institutions, this handheld microscope fuels the flames of curiosity in amateur scientists and enthusiasts alike. Embark on thrilling field expeditions to uncover the enigmas lurking in your immediate surroundings. Unlock the secrets of the world, one microscopic marvel at a time. The wireless digital microscope proves indispensable in the realms of medicine, forensics, and research. Unravel the mysteries of the human body, aiding medical practitioners in diagnosis and treatment plans. Solve intricate forensic puzzles as the hidden details come to light. Propel research endeavors with unprecedented access to the microcosmic wonders that shape our world. Inherently portable, this microscope is the epitome of convenience. Shedding the shackles of traditional microscopes, it empowers explorers to venture outdoors and satiate their curiosity on the go. Its compact form and wireless functionality render it a pocket-sized laboratory, always ready to delve into the unknown. As technology surges forward, the wireless digital microscope stands at the vanguard of progress. Its potential knows no bounds, with upcoming enhancements and updates sure to elevate its capabilities even further. Embrace the future of exploration, where cutting-edge science intertwines with your innate curiosity. In a world where the unseen governs our existence, the wireless digital microscope emerges as a beacon of revelation. Its remarkable features, seamless connectivity, and limitless potential merge to create an unrivaled tool for discovery. Unveil the mysteries of the microcosmos, and in doing so, uncover the boundless wonders that define our reality. So, take this leap into the microscopic realm and watch as the universe unfolds before your eyes. Embark on a journey that will forever change the way you perceive the world, one microscopic marvel at a time. Number 2. Pluggable USB Digital Microscope. In a realm invisible to the naked eye lies a universe of wonders waiting to be explored. The pluggable USB digital microscope, accompanied by a flexible arm observation stand, serves as a portal to this enchanting microcosmos. Offering exceptional compatibility with Windows, Mac, and Linux systems, this 2MP marvel boasts an impressive 250x magnification, allowing you to embark on a captivating journey of discovery like never before. The pluggable USB digital microscope is a masterpiece of modern technology, engineered with precision to deliver an unparalleled experience. Its sophisticated design ensures a seamless fusion of aesthetics and functionality, granting you a tool that is not only remarkable in performance, but also visually stunning. Beyond the limitations of conventional microscopes, the pluggable USB digital microscope embraces versatility in every aspect. The flexible arm observation stand provides you with the freedom to explore objects from various angles with ease, eliminating the frustrations of rigid setups. From inspecting intricate electronics to examining tiny specimens, this microscope becomes your ultimate companion, adapting effortlessly to your exploratory needs. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, compatibility is key. The pluggable USB digital microscope is a frontrunner in this regard, seamlessly integrating with Windows, Mac, and Linux systems. Embrace the convenience of using your preferred operating system while delving into the mysteries of the microcosmos. Equipped with a 2MP sensor, this digital microscope elevates clarity to a whole new level. Prepare to witness a world of astonishing detail as you zoom in up to 250 times. Every nook and cranny comes to life, revealing hidden beauty that often goes unnoticed in our macroscopic reality. The pluggable USB digital microscope transcends the boundaries of traditional usage. Its applications extend far beyond the realms of scientific exploration. From enthusiasts seeking precision in their projects to artists drawing inspiration from the intricacies of nature, this microscope fosters creativity and enhances your understanding of the world. Curiosity is the driving force of human progress, and with this digital microscope at your disposal, there are no limits to what you can explore. Unleash your inquisitive spirit and traverse the unseen landscapes of everyday objects. Discover the mesmerizing patterns on a butterfly's wing, explore the textures of minerals and gems, or simply revel in the captivating beauty of a snowflake up close. In the realm of education, the pluggable USB digital microscope becomes an invaluable gem. In classrooms, lecture halls, and laboratories, it redefines the art of teaching and learning. Engage students in a new dimension of interactive education, where they can directly witness the magic of science unfolding before their eyes. The age of citizen science is upon us, where passionate individuals contribute to scientific research and discoveries. The pluggable USB digital microscope empowers citizen scientists worldwide to contribute to various fields, from biology and entomology to environmental science and beyond. Your observations, recorded in stunning detail, may hold the key to groundbreaking revelations. Delve into the past with the pluggable USB digital microscope as it unveils the secrets concealed in historical artifacts. Whether you are an archaeologist studying ancient relics or an art enthusiast analyzing the strokes of a masterpiece, this microscope provides a window to the past, enriching our understanding of human history and cultural heritage. As we gaze upon the vast expanse of the universe, it is easy to overlook the equally mesmerizing world that exists on a microscopic scale. The pluggable USB digital microscope, with its flexible arm observation stand, brings this hidden universe to light. It is a technological marvel that redefines clarity, compatibility, and versatility in the realm of microscopic exploration. Embrace the wonders of this digital microscope as it opens your eyes to the beauty and complexity of the microcosmos. Let your curiosity roam free and allow your discoveries to fuel creativity and scientific inquiry. In education and citizen science alike, this microscope stands as a beacon of knowledge, inspiring generations to appreciate the intricacies of the world we inhabit. So, leap into the unseen realm with the pluggable USB digital microscope and embark on a journey of revelation and wonderment. Discover a universe within the microcosmos, waiting for you to explore, cherish, and protect. Number 3. Unlove USB digital microscope. The world we see with our naked eyes is vast and beautiful, but what lies beyond our vision is a universe of intricate wonders waiting to be discovered. Enter the Unlove LCD digital microscope, a remarkable scientific tool that bridges the gap between the macro and the micro. With its mind-blowing 50 to 1000 times magnification and a brilliant 4.3-inch LCD, this cutting-edge microscope transcends the limitations of human sight, revealing the hidden world in stunning detail. Join us on an explorative journey as we delve deep into the captivating features, unparalleled versatility, and masterful engineering of the Unlove LCD digital microscope. Being able to peer into a drop of water and witness an entire ecosystem of microorganisms teeming with life, or examining the intricate patterns on the wings of a butterfly at a microscopic level. The Unlove LCD digital microscope makes this possible and more. With its powerful magnification range of 50 to 1000 times, this microscope allows us to explore the tiniest details of the natural world and uncover hidden complexities that are otherwise invisible to the human eye. For amateur and professional scientists alike, this microscope becomes a window into the mesmerizing world of cellular structures, microorganisms, and molecular interactions. Budding biologists can marvel at the intricacies of plant tissues, while amateur entomologists can unravel the mysteries of insects' anatomy. The Unlove microscope empowers us to connect with the unseen, igniting a profound curiosity for the microcosmos. One of the most outstanding features of the Unlove LCD digital microscope is its versatility. Traditionally, microscopes were specialized instruments designed for specific scientific disciplines. However, Unlove has shattered these boundaries, creating a microscope that caters to a wide range of interests and hobbies. For numismatists and history enthusiasts, the Unlove microscope is a treasure trove. Delve into the intricacies of ancient coins, examining every minute detail and tracing the journey of currency through time. Numismatic mysteries will unfold before your eyes as you study the subtle variations in coin designs and minting errors. Electronics enthusiasts and hobbyists can revel in the joy of soldering work. The Usb Microscope provides an up-close view of soldering connections, allowing for precise inspections and facilitating immaculate craftsmanship. Whether you're a professional electronics engineer or a hobbyist tinkering with circuits, the microscope becomes an indispensable tool in your arsenal. Botanists and nature lovers find solace in the Usb microscope's ability to reveal the hidden wonders of plants. From the delicate structures of flower petals to the mysteries of pollen grains, the microscope aids in understanding the botanical world with unmatched clarity. Unveil the hidden secrets of plant anatomy and explore the symbiotic relationships between flora and fauna. The Usb LCD digital microscope is not only an optical marvel, but also an engineering feat. The meticulous craftsmanship and thoughtful design choices are evident throughout its construction. Combining durable ABS and metal materials, Usb has crafted a microscope that is robust, reliable, and built to last. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable usage, even during extended observation sessions. The microscope's compact dimensions, measuring 8 to 6 to 3 inches, make it ideal for use in the field, allowing scientists and explorers to carry their scientific laboratory with them wherever they go. Weighing a mere 1.62 pounds, it is light enough to be held effortlessly and captures the essence of portability. The Usb Microscope places user experience at the forefront. Its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls make it accessible to users of all skill levels. The 4.3-inch LCD offers a delightful viewing experience, eliminating the need for cumbersome eyepieces while delivering crystal-clear images of your specimens. The adjustable aluminum alloy bracket is a remarkable improvement over traditional plastic versions, providing stability and precision during observations. Its ergonomic design allows users to maintain a steady hand, especially when focusing on delicate and minuscule objects. This ensures a seamless exploration of the microscopic world, free from distractions and tremors. Illumination plays a crucial role in microscopic observations, and Usb has perfected this aspect with its integrated LED lighting system. The microscope is equipped with 8 adjustable LED lights, offering the perfect balance of brightness in various environmental conditions. Number 4. Carson Flex USB Digital Microscope. Prepare to embark on a captivating journey into the mesmerizing world of the unseen, where the tiniest marvels come to life before your eyes. Introducing the extraordinary Carson Flex USB Digital Microscope, a cutting-edge marvel that magnifies your curiosity and redefines your perception of the microcosmos. Equipped with advanced features, a flexible design, and brilliant LED illumination, the Carson Flex opens a gateway to a realm of endless scientific exploration like never before. The Carson Flex USB Digital Microscope pushes the boundaries of effective magnification, boasting an impressive 75 to 300 magnification range. With such exceptional power, this remarkable device allows you to observe even the tiniest details with unparalleled clarity and precision. From the delicate intricacies of natural specimens to the awe-inspiring world of microorganisms, the Flex unveils a universe of hidden wonders that would otherwise remain invisible to the naked eye. Innovative by design, the Carson Flex dazzles with its flexible stand and base, a feature that sets it apart from traditional microscopes. Easily adjust the microscope to your preferred angle and position, allowing for effortless exploration with utmost comfort and precision. This seamless adaptability makes your scientific investigations a joyous and ergonomic experience, empowering you to discover the microcosmos with ease. The MM840 model of the Carson Flex is a gleaming masterpiece in white, blending elegance with functionality. Crafted with uncompromising precision and premium materials, this digital microscope ensures long-lasting performance and durability, making it a reliable companion for all your scientific pursuits. With Carson's unwavering commitment to excellence, the Flex stands as a testament to superior craftsmanship and quality. One of the most exciting features of the Carson Flex is its integrated LED illumination system. The brilliant LED lights cast a radiant glow on your subjects, illuminating them with exceptional clarity and vividness. Say goodbye to dim, inadequate lighting with the Flex. Every detail comes to life with brilliance and precision, even in low-light environments, allowing you to make discoveries in various lighting conditions. The Carson Flex USB Digital Microscope seamlessly connects to a 21-inch monitor, transcending the boundaries of conventional observation. Immerse yourself in a world of larger-than-life discoveries, where the microcosmos is magnified on your screen with jaw-dropping detail and vividness. The Flex expands your horizons and allows you to witness the microcosmos on a grand scale, creating a sense of wonder like never before. Whether you're a seasoned scientist, an inquisitive student, or an avid hobbyist, the Carson Flex caters to your insatiable thirst for knowledge. Enhance your educational pursuits, conduct captivating experiments, and satisfy your curiosity to the fullest. The Flex empowers you to engage with the microscopic world in a way that fosters both learning and enjoyment. Moreover, the Flex isn't just a scientific tool, it's a gateway to creativity and inspiration. Artists and creators can find a wealth of inspiration in the intricate patterns and shapes revealed by Flex's lens. Nature's artistry is unveiled in mesmerizing beauty, igniting imagination and enriching creative endeavors. The Carson Flex USB digital microscope stands as a beacon of scientific excellence and discovery. Its innovative design, unmatched magnification capabilities, and LED illumination system redefine the boundaries of microscopic exploration. Embrace the awe-inspiring potential of the microcosmos and let the Carson Flex be your trusted companion on this thrilling journey of knowledge and wonder. Number 5. Coolertron Digital USB Microscope. Step into a realm of cutting-edge technology and scientific wonder with the Coolertron Digital USB Microscope, a true game-changer in the world of high-performance microscopy. If you seek a powerful unit packed with convenient features, Coolertron's offering might be the perfect match for your scientific pursuits. The Coolertron Digital USB Microscope stands out as an exceptional USB-powered microscope that seamlessly integrates with your computer. Embrace the power of digital technology as you record your observations or display captivating views on its impressive inbuilt 7-inch screen. This immersive screen size opens up a new dimension of exploration, allowing you to view the microcosmos in rich detail and vibrant colors. With the Coolertron Digital USB Microscope, a high-quality 1920x1080 video feed awaits your curious gaze. The microscope's 12MP camera captures intricate details with astounding clarity, pulling you deeper into the hidden world of tiny marvels. Witness the magic of nature's precision like never before, as the microscope's advanced optics reveal a breathtaking panorama of microorganisms and minuscule structures. While the Coolertron Digital USB Microscope excels in many aspects, it does share a limitation with its predecessors, a maximum zoom rating of up to 200x. Although this might leave advanced researchers desiring more, it is an ideal choice for educational purposes, hobbyists, and general scientific exploration. Its user-friendly interface and superior image quality more than make up for any zoom-related drawbacks. When investing in scientific equipment, reliability and durability are of paramount importance. Coolertron understands this concern, which is why they back their digital USB microscope with a reassuring 1-year warranty. Rest easy as you embark on your scientific journey, knowing that your microscope is designed to withstand the test of time and deliver consistent performance. The Coolertron Digital USB Microscope is more than just a scientific tool, it is a gateway to endless discovery and exploration. Captivate your imagination and kindle your curiosity as you unravel the secrets of the microcosmos. From educational applications to hobbyist adventures, the possibilities are as vast as the cosmos itself. As the Coolertron Digital USB Microscope connects to your computer or presents its wonders on its inbuilt display, it ushers in a new era of digital microscopy. Seamlessly capture images and videos of your discoveries and share them with the world at the click of a button. Harness the power of modern technology to collaborate with fellow enthusiasts or present your findings to a global audience. The Coolertron brand is synonymous with innovation and advancement in microscopy. Their commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology has earned them a reputation for excellence in the scientific community. With the Coolertron Digital USB Microscope in your hands, you become a pioneer of discovery, unlocking new frontiers in scientific understanding. The Coolertron Digital USB Microscope emerges as a stellar choice for those seeking high-performance microscopy with added convenience. Its seamless integration with digital devices, impressive screen size, and high-quality camera feed offers a captivating viewing experience. While the zoom capabilities may not satisfy all researchers, the microscope's user-friendly design and reliable warranty make it an excellent option for various scientific pursuits. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you like this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.